Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. But you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. I said don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. But you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. But I think you're moving too fast. Noted? Or is it? Life is a waterfall, one in the river and one to get out to the fall. Swimming through the void, we hear the word, we lose ourselves, but we find it all. We are the ones that wanna play, always wanna go, but we never wanna stay. We are the ones that wanna play, always wanna win, but we never wanna lose. Warriors in the sky. When you lose small mind, you free your life. Warriors so high. When you free your mind, you free your life. Life is a waterfall. We drink from the river and turn around and put up our walls. Swimming through the void, we hear the word. We lose ourselves, but we find it all. Areas in the sky. When you free your mind, you free your life. Areas in the sky. When you free your mind, you free your life. Do go chasing waterfalls. Slow down, you move too fast. You gotta make the moments last. Just kicking down them cobblestones. Looking for fun and feeling groovy. Looking for fun and feeling groovy.